Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Drive files. For example, we are creating Google Drive links that are shareable, that are accessible to your friends, to your coworkers, to everyone you want to share it with. Because sometimes I'm going to show you a trick that sometimes have the most frequent problems regarding this Google Drive link, okay? So before we get started, I'm going to ask you kindly to open your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, that is perfectly fine. It allows you as access to the internet. If you want to use Safari, that is also okay? So please grab a piece of paper to write down the notes here. If you don't have a piece of paper, use your notepad over here on your PC. Okay? Perfect. So let's get started. So first things first, of course, we need to open our Google Drive. We are going to get the files there. As you can see here, this is my Google Drive right here. So for example, let's just say this one. This English says JPG or English says that JPEG is the one I want to share it with. So how can I do that? How will I do it? For example, right here, make sure you highlighted the file that you want to share, and then just click on right click of your mouse or the three dots right here. Okay? It's just the same. Either you right click on the file or the three dots over here. I suggest just do the right click. So from here now you can either click on share over here or make a copy. You can even have file information, move to bin, organize. However, I want you to click on share. Now here's the tricky part that I want to show you guys. Do not click on copy link just yet. For example, you're in a hurry, just click on copy link right there, you have the link, and then you just want to share it to your friends. For example, I'm sending this to Messenger. Let's just say this is a Messenger application. I'm gonna send it like that and click on enter. When I click on enter, this file right here or this link specifically will be sent to my friend and then he will access it. However, it will always say that you don't have access. For example, this one right here. You don't have access on Drive link. Okay? I want to show you guys the error message that usually they get. For example, this one. They always have this error if you don't do this simple trick. So what is this trick? Right click again. Click on share, hover your mouse over there. Now I want you to click on this button, not copy link, but this one. Once you click on share, you'll have this option right here, general access. Make sure this is anyone with the link. Okay? And then here is the part where you copy the link. And that's the link that you're gonna send to your friends, not the one earlier without the restriction. Just send it like that, and I'm sure that this file is accessible to anyone with the link. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.